So the flow is picking up. I might not make it across. I'm already pretty deep, right around 3.5 feet deep, and it's only gonna get deeper. Yeah, I might not make it across here. Maybe if I go upstream somewhere, not entirely sure, but there's another storm coming in. Might bring the flows up, so maybe I'll just wait another day to come talk to this guy. But obviously there is a dire need for floodplain restoration in this area. I mean, downstream probably another 3 miles, it's the same thing. Houses underwater, people's property, you know, a few feet underwater. Like, it's pretty significant here. The Thalweg is going right through there, so it's taking a lot of stress off of the main channel going through this floodplain, and it's probably actually saving Scotts Valley Road. So I guess I'll come back tomorrow, because that's probably not crossable. And here you have the debris again. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, at some point we'll probably definitely have to do some cleanup here. The storm's coming in, so I'm gonna go back to my car. Hopefully the storm doesn't bring too much water, because it'll only make these things worse. Yeah, full-on floodplain restoration is probably needed. We probably need a causeway here. Who knows how much that costs? Probably upwards of 50 million, but we'll see. It's actually quite remarkable what nature does. You can't tame it. I think, I don't know what that is. Something floated down. I hope it's not a boat. But you can see there's, oh no, someone's dock right there from up in Blue Lakes. There's totes everywhere. I mean, what Scotts Creek needs is a more connected floodplain. Because, you know, situations like this, right there where the creek is, it's probably 10 to 12 feet of water underneath there. And so it's like fully entrenched due to all the engineering we've done in the past, probably hundreds of years ago, to be honest. But if we let it spread out, it'll be a lot better for homeowners and the property, but also for fish and wildlife. It'll also help refill our aquifers a little bit faster with more floodplain. But as a debris pile right there, I'm sure there's going to be tons throughout the watershed.